Good morning, children. Today we'll start with Othello, Act 3, Scene 3. Now, uh, in the previous scenes or in the previous act, what we have learned is that Iago takes advantage of the opportunity to break the marriage of Othello and Desdemona. Now, what happens in Act 3, Scene 3? Othello, now wild with suspicion, demands that he must be acquainted with his thoughts. So Othello, in Othello's mind, Iago has put the thought that your wife is unfaithful towards you. Means she is not honest. वो ईमानदार नहीं है आपके प्रति. This is what Iago has filled inside Othello's mind. Now this thought has taken a wider place in Othello's mind. ये thought Othello के दिमाग के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा घर कर गया. Iago warns him of the effect of jealousy. Iago tells that yes, you are jealous. Iago tells Othello that you are jealous that your wife is unfaithful towards you. Othello is now half persuaded to believe that his wife is faithless. Now Othello has also started believing this, that his wife Desdemona is not honest towards him. But he is not satisfied until there is a proof. But Othello tells that he will not feel satisfied until he gets the proof that Desdemona is really faithless towards him. Here Iago impresses on Othello that Desdemona deceived her father and that she can now deceive her husband. Now how does Iago, he arranges a plot? He tells Othello that Desdemona has deceived her father by marrying you or by eloping with you. जैसे वो भागकर आपसे शादी की और अपने पापा को धोखा दिया, वैसे ही she is deceiving you. In the same manner, she is deceiving her husband. Secondly, he points out that Desdemona must have got against her nature and upbringing in choosing Othello as her husband and may now repent. Now what is this? Iago telling to Othello that Othello, in the way Desdemona has been brought up, or what is her nature, she must have gone against her nature and upbringing by choosing you as her husband. Means Iago is telling to Othello that Desdemona की अपब्रिंगिंग और उसके नेचर ऐसा है कि वो अपने नेचर के अगेंस्ट जाकर आपसे शादी की और ना अब वो रिपेंट कर रही है. नाउ शी इज रिपेंटिंग मीन्स पछता रही है. Desdemona again enters and is struck with Othello's agonized looks. Now Othello looks very angry. Now as Desdemona enters and she finds that Othello is looking very angry. Now how does Othello compensates the situation? Othello, complaining of headache, she offers to bind his head with her handkerchief, which being too small is put aside and it drops. Now what does Othello says? Othello is telling to Desdemona that I am having a real headache. Now what does she offers? She tells her that you put your head down and I'll tie your head with a handkerchief. Now lady handkerchief is very small in size compared to the male handkerchief. जो फीमेल हैंकरचिफ होता है वो बहुत छोटे साइज का होता है अगर हम मेल जो हैंकरचिफ यूज़ करते हैं उससे कंपेयर करें. हैंकरचिफ इज़ रुमाल जो लेडी यूज़ करती है उसका साइज़ छोटा होता है जेंट्स के रुमाल से. तो what does she do? When Desdemona is putting her handkerchief on Othello's head, she's finding that the handkerchief is very small in size and she puts aside and it drops. वो साइड में रख देती है और अचानक से वो रुमाल गिर जाता है. When they retire, now when everybody goes off, they retire मतलब सब चले जाते हैं. Emilia picks it up to give it to Iago. Emilia क्या करती है, उसको उठाती है, she picks it up and she gives it to Iago, who is her husband, who has often importuned her to steal it. Now Iago tells Emilia to steal Desdemona's handkerchief. Now this is again a plot of Iago to break the marriage of Othello and Desdemona. It is the handkerchief that was presented to Desdemona by Othello. Now that handkerchief Othello has given to Desdemona. Othello has gifted to his wife Desdemona. Desdemona has ever preserved it with care. Now Desdemona has often kept that handkerchief with lot of care. Desdemona has ever preserved it with care. Emilia does not know why her husband has often urged her to steal it. Now Emilia is not aware of the situation, that why her husband Iago wants to take the handkerchief of Desdemona, or why he wants Emilia to steal Desdemona's handkerchief. However, when Emilia meets Iago, she gives the handkerchief to him. When Emilia meets her husband Iago, she gives the handkerchief. वो रुमाल Desdemona का उसको चुरा कर दे देती है. Iago's plan is to put the handkerchief in the way of Cassio. First, for it can be produced as a damaging proof of Desdemona's faithlessness. अब Iago, what does he do? Iago's plan, now Iago, what is his plan? To put that handkerchief in the way of Cassio, means Cassio के रास्ते में वो handkerchief रखना चाहता था, which can be regarded as a strong proof of Desdemona's faithlessness. Means Desdemona का handkerchief जो ओथेलो ने उसको गिफ्ट दिया था, वो उसने उसको दे दिया. Iago, डेस्डिमोना का जो हैंकरचिफ था जो ओथेलो ने गिफ्ट दिया था, व्हाट ओथेलो हैज गिफ्टेड इट टू हर विल बी फाउंडेड इन कैसियो's way. So this will again be a very strong proof which Iago will present in front of Othello about Desdemona's dishonesty against her husband. Thank you.